Hey guys, Ross here, and today we're going to see why some people are making tens of thousands of dollars per month and why some people are making zero. The difference is about the product you're promoting, the product you're creating, and the product you're selling. I'm going to show you a strategy that a complete beginner can use to generate online money without any knowledge, without any experience, because what I'm about to show you is a special website that is going to solve the entire mystery. It's going to tell you what products people are eager to buy right now. So let's dive in. All right, so here we are. If you want to create a digital product and sell it, the niche is what matters the most. I'm on a website called Promo Topics. What this website does is an AI discovery site for niches. Now we can see here it says AI powered niche validation that tells you exactly what to promote, how much you can earn, and whether it's worth your time. And here I'm signing in, and there we go. So right away from the bat, we can see we're at the place that says trending niches. Look at this. Miniature travel irons. That's a trending product right now. So I can scroll down and I can see this one is also trending niche. Mushroom coffee immunity. You see, this is very niche. It's a niche of a sub-niche of a sub-niche. First we have mushroom, then we have coffee, and then we have immunity. So very sub-niche. Why we look at these niches? Because the broader the niche, the more competition and probably more saturation. So that's why we use Promo Topics to discover these hidden gems, hidden niches that nobody is using, nobody has tapped in them already. And by the way, if you're a complete beginner, you can create a digital product with AI to any of these niches and start selling it. And I'm gonna show you, actually, the website gives you suggestions what to sell and how to create it. So pretty cool. So let's scroll down, we can see AI art prompts. So this is also pretty good. As you can see, it's predicted to go up. Now this green line is the prediction that it's going to go up in searches. Magnetic phone mounts. Okay, this is stable. Prediction is going up. Air fryer. So this is stable, doesn't have any predictions, but it's stable. That tells us air fryers are actually pretty good to promote or create product around air fryers. So you're not going to sell air fryers right away. So let's click validate right here, and I'm going to validate it in worldwide. So I want to see the entire world. Okay, validation, and it says here the air fryer niche has explosive growth and it's now a very stable high demand market. While research volume remains strong, competition for direct product sales is extremely high due to the major retailers and established brands. Success often lies in offering unique accessories, recipe books. See, this is important. This is our success. Success often lies in offering unique accessories, recipe books, or specific problem-solving products related to air fryer uses. Okay, so it says rather than selling the air fryers themselves directly as an affiliate or dropshipper. Okay, so earning potential, we're not gonna stop on this, but look at this. The Promo Topics website gives us affiliate offers from different affiliate networks that we can actually take a look. Okay, we can take a look at AliExpress, ClickBank, we have Amazon Associates, so we actually can see affiliate marketing offers, which is pretty good to have an understanding, but we can also see active ads in this niche, which is huge. We can see the actual ads of these products. Now, it gives us the actual air fryer, but here's the AI strategy that gives us. Health and wellness, focus on health benefits of air frying, such as reduced oil usage and lower calorie meals. So this is very good. This is the angle. Content ideas, recipe development and sharing, healthy, quick, unique. Then we have comparison videos, air fryers versus deep fryer and oven. Then we have more content ideas, and then we have targeted audiences, etc, etc. Now, what I can do is, even though I have all of this information, even though I have all of that, I can do this. I can click or highlight air fryer, which is a very big niche, and I can go to the final place that says discovery. I think this is by far my best place on this Promo Topics website. And here what it says, find hidden profitable niches, and it says enter a broad category and discover hyper-specific sub-niches with passionate buyers but few solutions. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna paste my term here, air fryer, and I'm gonna hit discover. So this tool is gonna find us sub niches of air fryer, so we can create a digital product around it and start selling it to a specific group of people. For example, fitness is a very broad niche, right? But we have fitness for busy professionals, or we have fitness for newly born babies or newly moms that have actually had their baby in the past 2-3 months. Or we can create a fitness for let's say digital nomads that are working from home. So now finding the micro niche. So let's see what we found. So we have 8 micro niches about air fryer. So let's see. Okay, there we go. This is the hidden gem. Air fryer recipes for college students in dorms. Guys, this is nuts. This is amazing. So you can target. Actually, this is the targeting. The title is the actual targeting. You target college students in dorms. So here we have the actual audience. When you click this is the audience. College students living in a dorms with limited cooking appliances and budget. So let's see. College students struggle to eat healthy, affordable, and easy meals in their dorms due to lack of full kitchen, time constraints, and limited budget. Okay. Offer angles. Ebook. Dorm-friendly air fryer meals under $5. So these are the books that you can create, the digital products you can create, and we can create these with either ChatGPT or Claude. I'm gonna show you. Then we have YouTube channel, quick air fry hacks for busy students. You can create videos and post them on YouTube, but you don't have to be in the videos. You can actually use AI. I'm gonna show you a bunch of AI websites. They can create these videos for you. And then we have courses, mastering your dorm air fryer cuisine. This is pretty good. So why it works, this button. So let's see. College students living in dorms with limited cooking appliances, etc. Why it works. Large budget conscious audience with limited cooking options. Okay. So audience size is growing. This is good sign. And we can also validate this. But let's take a look at the other options. Air fryer meals prep for busy new parents. There we go. This is a very good sub niche. We have air fryer baking for gluten-free diets. This is a very good sub niche as well. Let's see this one. Air fryer recipes for seniors with chewing difficulties. Guys, I don't know, man. I mean, you see, I never would have thought about air fryer recipes for seniors with chewing difficulties. Who would have thought like that seniors have chewing difficulties, right? So let's crown and discover some more. Air fry camping meals for RV enthusiasts. This is pretty good. Air fry recipes for people with IBD. I don't even know what that is, guys. But yeah, you can research. So let's see this. Oh, this is huge. Air fryer doggy treats for pet owners with allergies. Oh, that's a big niche. You know why? Because pet owners are willing to spend big money, or not willing, but they have to spend big money on their pets. So I know for a fact, my sister has a dog, my mom has a dog, so I know how expensive it is. Just one visit to the vet, it's pretty expensive. So this offer angles and the actual sub niche air fryer doggy treats for pet owners with allergies, they're pretty good. So if you see this audience, the dog owners, you can click it and expand this. So let's expand it. Boom. Okay. And this is it. This is our offer. Now, let's come back. This is the beauty of this promo topics too. It gives you all these hidden gems, but if I go to trending, I can keep scrolling and find other trending niches. Portable travel blenders. That's pretty good. Portable travel blenders. Okay. I can again click validate and it's going to give me all the details. The best part is that it gives us ads, running ads of actual people currently promoting specific products in this specific niche. So this is actually pretty good. You don't have to do any due diligence or any research. Everything is inside the tool. So let's load more results and see. Baby food makers, okay. MIDI keyboard controllers, standing desks. I'm actually standing on a standing desk right now, and I know this works because a lot of my friends are also buying standing desk, and we can see the data. It's growing. Blue light glasses, cooking. This is pretty broad. So weighted blanket. What is that? I don't know. ClickBank. Okay. AI code assistants. Ooh, this could be huge. AI writing assistants and AI code. Oh, this one. Hold on. Wait a minute. I'm getting excited. AI writing assistants. Let's validate this one. So it started from almost zero and now it's growing. So this could be a very good niche. So let's click validate. Worldwide, we're validating AI writing assistants. And guys, I'm going to show you how to create products around them. Competition is high, but that should not scare us because we have the discovery portion. And the discovery portion is going to give us a sub niche of the actual niche, which is the golden gem, because nobody's fighting for these niches. That's why it's essential to find these sub niches and create products in these niches so you can get or you can earn more money. So we have affiliate offers that are active. You can actually, by the way, if you find a good affiliate offer, you can even start promoting an affiliate offer and start making money right away. You don't have to create your own product. That's why we have this section here, affiliate offers. So let's say copy.ai, writer AI writing assistants, White Sonic, an AI writer, and it tells us how much we can make, or actually the price to this tool. Commissions 20%, 25% recurring. Okay. Surfer SEO, Shortly AI, 30% recurring. Okay, this is good. And now we can also see active ads of these products. So let's see, click any of these active ads and see real ads from real people who are promoting these products. So let's click AI voice writer. So let's click this button and boom, I'm redirected to the Google shopping page. I can actually take a look at what they're selling, their copy, what it is. I can study it. And let's see this one, Brainbox AI writing assistant. So let's see what it is. Ooh, okay. It's a digital product, AI writing assistant. Okay, but you got the point. You can take a look at everything that it has, that the tool has it. So AI strategies, overcoming writer's block, SEO optimization made easy, etc., etc. So it gives you all of these statistics, and again, you can click discover, right? So now, once you stop on something, let's say we're gonna be writing AI writing assistants, or let's come back to the trending topics and we go with the air fryer niche, air fryer for pet owners. Let's say we want to create something like this, or air fryer for colleges in their dorms, for college students in their dorm. So what we want to do, we want to create a guide, and we can sell this guide to these people for either pet owners or students. So what we can do, we can either, like I said, find affiliate offers and promote these affiliate offers to this specific group of people, or we can create our own product, and I'm using Claude, ChatGPT, and Google AI Studio to create all of these products. And it's pretty easy. So I use Google AI Studio and I use this, the Nano Banana Pro, to create images, because this is what makes the difference between a crappy digital product and a very good digital product, the images. Because I see a lot of people online, they create an ebook, just text on white pages, which is, it's a lazy job. It's never gonna work. People are tired of buying lazy created products. So try to make it very, very good, very authentic. So I'm gonna click try Nano Banana, and here I can start creating images in the same style like this one. You see, these are illustrations in the same style for whatever. So we want to create illustrations for the same style, and the same style is going to be air fryer, let's say air fryer recipes for pet owners, something like that. And we want to create each image for each topic, but we don't have the topics yet. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna highlight this title, okay, and go over to Claude, and I'm going to say I need a summary or bullet points for an ebook about this. There we go. I'm gonna paste the topic, air fryer recipes for pet owners, and there we go. So we're gonna hit enter. So Claude's gonna give us suggestions. Okay, it didn't give us the actual book, so I'm gonna tell it give me the actual book, and don't mind my typos. The AI understands all the typos. Okay. Air fryer recipes for pet owners. Introduction. Why this book exists. If you're reading this, you probably love your pet as much as I do, and like me, you've probably stood in your kitchen at 7 p.m. exhausted from work, staring at your air fryer and thinking, I need to feed myself and make something for my dog who's giving me those eyes. Claude is very good at writing, so it's gonna give us the entire book. See, it's now writing it, and it keeps writing it. So I'm not gonna wait, but what I can see is the recipes. So recipe number 4, buffalo cauliflower wings. So I'm gonna highlight, I'm gonna give you an example with just one of these recipes. So first recipe, or this is recipe number 4, I'm gonna copy this title. I'm gonna go back to Nano Banana, and I want to create, I'm gonna tell it, create me a realistic image for this meal. Recipe 4, buffalo cauliflower, okay. Recipe like this, buffalo cauliflower wings. Oh, look at this. It looks very, very realistic. It looks pretty good. So, yeah, looks very tasty, to be honest with you. It looks very tasty. Anyways, I'm just giving you examples. Obviously, you can use all these tools. You can use ChatGPT. You can use Claude. Claude is already, I think it's done with the book, with the recipe. Look at this. It's a long book. Look at this. I'm scrolling, and it doesn't have finally we have the end. Look at this. We have 12,000 words, 85 pages, and 45 complete recipes. Meal guides, meal prep guides, safety charts, troubleshooting, etc., etc. So very, very good outcome. Like I said, if you don't want to create the book yourself, you simply go to the promo topics tool and you try to find, here I'm gonna type pet food recipes, click validate. I can search for whatever word here. So you can actually, each of these tools, each of these features, you can search for whatever you want. They're connected to each other, but again, you can search for whatever you want. And here we have affiliate offers. We can see an actual ebooks already pre-made, the ultimate raw pet food diet guide. And we can see the affiliate network. For example, this is Digistore24. Digistore24 is an affiliate network where you can go grab an affiliate offer. For example, the one we see here, where was it? Not here. This one, the ultimate raw pet food diet guide, okay? Grab it from Digistore, promote it. We don't have to create it. We don't have to deal with customer support. We don't have to find ways to create our landing pages and websites. They give us everything. They give us websites, landing pages, everything we need. We just promote it and we get a percentage of the sale. And usually the sale is pretty hefty, the percentage. So the promo topics actually gives us some predictions. The commission here is 60%. Out of $50, this is about almost $30 commissions to sell someone else's product. So you become an equal partner to this person. So 50-50 split is actually 60-40, 60% for you. Then we have another one. DIY organic pet treats and chews ebook. This is from ClickBank, another affiliate network. This is Amazon Associate, Pet Food Mixer, Share a Sale, another affiliate network. In reality, you can just use promo topics to find a niche, validate the product, and just find an affiliate offer and start promoting and start making money right away. You can use Facebook ads, you can use TikTok ads, you can use Instagram ads. I use all of them. If you want me to create a video on how I create my ads, because ads are very essential, and nowadays we don't use any targeting. Facebook does the targeting for me. I just create the creatives and that's about it. So if you want me to create a Facebook ads video or TikTok ads video, comment down below video and I'm going to create the video. Alright guys, now if you want to see how I created a real digital product and I started making more than $4,000 a week with it, watch the video here in the top left or right corner where I'm going to walk you through step by step about a real actual example that is making me money. I'll see you in that video.